Hi guys. Good morning. Ang ganda ng view, oh. May nag-exercise doon, no? Dito pala, mami, yung magandang exercise, ano, no? Magandang exercise na view. O, diba, guys? While waiting sa air show. Si Mambing nag-exercise. Oh, diba? Ikot natin. Exclusive yung viewing spare sa amin. I bless you. Exclusive yung viewing spare sa amin. Sa baba. Walang masyadong tao. May konting nagkakagulo sa baba, pero wala na. So, yan. Yan. Work with pleasure. Pero ngayon. Ha? They will have parade down? No, I believe they're already down in the dust, in the horizon. The
After they finish here, they will go to opening the.
okay.
You see, there is a band.
Yeah.
They will just showcase the band. After that, they will showcase their weapons and all.
Uppers, they will be here. They will drink some pass around for breakfast.
High command is the horizon.
Yeah, and then they will go down.
Last year,
For
they are not allowed
parade.
to give entry like single person, only family
Where? There?
inside here. So I requested one Kuwaiti family. That's sir, can you just help me for just to get inside? Because they are not allowing us to for a single person, only family.
No, I was there. Yeah, before last year. I was
Last year,
there.
Maybe the last year, so many people they are not allowing. So they are also only family allowed. So I requested, so they said there no problem. But when he was asking the police, he is with you?
Ah.
He is with me.
I am with my Habibi that time. That's why.
Yeah?
I am with my Habibi that time. We are a couple. That's why they let us. 8 o'clock they open.
But in the morning, they are allowing, but in the evening time, there is so much people.
Sa baba. Mag-start na sila mag-parade, ganon. Ay, oo nga, no, yun, no. May pakabayo. Naka, ano pa, ng green para kitang-kita. May costume pa yung kabayo nila. Yan muna yung pasilyo.